Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question from number system. Now these series of videos which I am going to make are called as math snippets. Now these are short videos which focuses on competitive exam questions. So here we have two questions with us. So let us start with the first one. Find the total number of prime factors of 120. So here we are going to use the prime factorization method to find the prime factors of 120. So let us start by dividing 120 by 2 because that is the smallest prime number. So 2 is going to divide 120, that is 260 times is 120. Now 60 again goes in the table of 2, that is 230 times is 60. Now 30 again goes in the table of 2, that is 215 times is 30. Now 15 goes in the table of 3 and that is the next prime number we can think about. You can also consider the prime number 5. So here 5 times is 15. And finally we have 5 that divides itself. So 5 one times is 5. So these are all the prime factors that we have for 120. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the total number of prime factors of 120 are 5. We can also write it this way. So here we have got 2 3 times. So we have written it as 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 1. Since 3 has occurred only once, and same thing goes with the 5, so 5 to the power of 1. Now we are going to just add the powers to get the total number of prime factors. So here the total number of prime factors are 3 plus 1 plus 1, giving us the total factors as 5. Now let us consider the second question. They look very similar, but here you have to find the unique prime factors of 120. So let me keep this as it is. Now moving on to the second question, here we need to find out the number of unique prime factors of 120. This was total number of prime factors, this is unique number of prime factors. Unique means we have to discard the repeating factors. For example, here 2 has repeated itself 3 times. So we are going to take it only once, times, now 3 has occurred just once, so here we have written 3, times 5 also occurs just once, so we have written 5 over here. So now we have to count the factors, that is 1, 2 and 3. So the number of unique prime factors of 120 are 3. So in the total number of prime factors we count everything. We are going to count all the factors. But in unique prime factors we are going to discard the repeated factors and consider them only once. Hence giving us the unique prime factors as 3. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.